There's my workout partner. She is awesome. You know, if you guys, and not everybody's going to have a dog, but I highly recommend it when you're trying to work out. Hey everybody, outside getting my vitamin D, going on my morning walk here at work. I walk about 2 to 3 times a day on my breaks, and I go around our building. I think 4 times around is a mile, but I usually do 3 or 4. And then I do lunges on the side of the building, which helps me get my heart rate up and wake me up a little bit, because as you know, when you're sitting at a desk all day long, you get kind of I just get tired and just want to take a nap, especially right now when we're not too busy, thankfully. Usually we're full force going, and right now is our downtime, which I'm so happy to go. And so the sun is out. It's like 66 degrees, a crisp 66 degrees, but I'm willing to do what it takes to get out here. A lot of different than Florida weather, waking up to already 80 degrees and going to the beach for my walk. It's a lot different when you get home. It's actually, you just kind of wake up to reality, and that's exactly what I've done. Today we're going to do a full day of eating on keto. To this morning I had my bulletproof coffee. I have not had bulletproof coffee in so long. I put a little bit of drop of MCT oil in there, and just a little bit of unsalted Kerrygold butter, and some cinnamon and some stevia. So that's what was in my coffee this morning, and I'll let you guys know the macros a little bit later. I want to show you my lunch and my dinner. I am fasting until about noon. That's about an 19 hour fast, and that's no problem for me. If you're just kind of working up to that, more power to you, because it takes a little while to get to that point where you're doing 20 hour fasts with no problem at all. But it is no problem for me. I actually love fasting. So I will see you guys in a minute at lunchtime. All right, everybody, here is my first meal of the day. So this is one of those carb balance tortillas, 4 carbs for this. This is like a gold mine for me to find those. We have our romaine lettuce, pepper jack cheese, 2 slices, and then this is my recipe. It's called buffalo chicken salad. I will link the recipe below, but it is to die for. I've got some sauerkraut on there with some avocado and some cucumber with some salt and pepper. That is it. But the chicken recipe, you have to try it. I will link it below. There's my workout partner. She is awesome. You know, if you guys, and not everybody's going to have a dog, but I highly recommend it when you're trying to work out. Look at this lake. It is like glass today. Usually the wind's blowing and it's carrying on, but this is just spectacular. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love coming up here. Hi, you guys. I am back from my walk, so we are going to start dinner here. I'm using the Chosen Foods avocado, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the avocado. We are having, I've got my Purdue organic chicken thighs we're going to be fixing. I think there's like 6 in here, but they're really small. If you guys have never seen how small these chicken thighs are, there's no antibiotics that are put in these, so they're dripping all over the place here. So we're gonna go ahead and just your basic. I'm just gonna fry them up in this avocado oil, kind of like, here, let me just show you. Just like fried chicken. So we're just going to get like a coat of, they were kind of still a little bit frozen before, but they're pretty good now. Let's see how little they are. Scrumptious though. The taste is so good. So very good. Actually, there is 5. Just going to go ahead and move these around so the oil gets kind of on them. I know some people don't like touching the food, but that is just the way it is. We're going to have some broccoli from Aldi's. I get mine at Aldi's. What I do with this, and it's in a steamed bag. So you can put this in the microwave. What I do is I cook it in the microwave for about 6 minutes. And then I put it in here after my chicken is done. So that's, I'm going to put some spices. I got my chili and lime sauce. That is the brand that I use. I'm going to go ahead and, I love this stuff. So I really saturate it with this. So this is the brand. That is what that is. So and then I also put lately here I've been putting cayenne pepper on everything. Also, I don't know if my chemistry and my body is changing. I don't know, but I have been using a lot of, where did it go? I'll get it. It is amazing. Let's see here. I think my body is just like craving hot sauce. So I've been using this buffalo wings sauce, 0 carbs, a little high on the sodium part, but I use minimal. So everything, salads, my other chicken I fix, I fix buffalo, like I fixed at lunch, that buffalo chicken salad. I put hot sauce galore in that thing. So I don't know what it is about the hot sauce lately. And I don't know. You never know. You never know with me. So I'm also going to be using some nutritional yeast. This is what I get from the health food store. I put this on everything. Well, I put it on 1 meal a day. So like if I have chicken or something like that, I will use this every day. So I'm getting my B1. That's pure, basically B1, and a lot of other vitamins that you need. When you're on keto, you need your vitamins. So you're getting your vitamins from your food, but you also need some extra. Like I use pink salt. Also, pepper. Your normal. I eat a lot of garlic. This is the brand of the coconut oil, which is almost gone. Yeah, it's almost gone. See, almost gone. This is the Luana organic coconut oil. I also use the Simply Nature organic coconut oil from Aldi's. I use this brand also. So Really good stuff. I also picked up this Too Good mixed berry yogurt. It's Greek yogurt. They finally got it at Walmart. I was so happy. You know, it's basically, it's not like the greatest ingredients, but 2 grams of sugar, 3 carbs for this little gem. But I also put some blueberries or some raspberries in with it. If I really, really feel like I need like some kind of creamy dessert, you know, like pudding, like texture is what I love. I did get some keto ice cream. I'll get that. Let me show you what it is. I haven't digged into it yet. Let's see here. The mint chip, the Sunday shop mint chip. I got this for, you know, when you just need just something extra after you eat dinner. You need just something, like a couple of bites of something. There for a little while, even when I was losing over the 20 pounds, there was a little while when every so often I needed just something creamy, like something like this texture. And what I would do is I took the sugar-free syrup that I use for my pancakes, like my chaffles. I took that and I put it in like almond butter, and I would eat 2 tablespoons of that. And that just took off the edge off of needing something. Like it's just so powerful sometimes, you know, but I think I got that under control. I'm not saying I'm not human, because, you know, every once in a while you just need that favorite texture. Do you know what I mean? Favorite texture. All right, we're going to go ahead and add some Duke's mayo on here. Oh, okay, we're going to make a mess. Just kind of, I do the bake. I bake it with this as well. Just kind of smear it on there, and it makes the chicken so good. If you've never tried mayo on your chicken, and just kind of do that. They're almost done. Alright, you guys, they are done. And I think I'm going to have this one right here. Why am I trying to pick it up with a knife? I don't know. Alright, so I might have 2 of these. I might have like a smaller one, like this one and this one. Like, sorry, I'm making this like so difficult. Alright, put that over there. This is going to be leftovers. And here we are. There is your chicken thighs with mayo and chili lime with some cayenne pepper and some broccoli. So eat up, you guys, and go ahead and try this little recipe.